What's up, guys? Today I'm going over 5 specialty tools that I feel like you need to have. I can't live without these right now. So let's start with number 1. The first one I have is an electronic torque wrench. Yes, you can do the old school click type, which has its place and its purpose, but I find that this one here has presets for the torque, newton meters, foot pounds, inch pounds, all of that. The other really cool thing is it has degrees. So if I go to turn a bolt, it's like maybe torque to yield 90 degrees, it can measure that for me. And if I can only turn it 10 degrees, click, 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 another 10 degrees, it keeps track of how many degrees you have turned that bolt. This has been invaluable when doing any of the motor work on my M156, which has just been great. As you know, I've been doing a ton of work on it, and a lot of those bolts have torque to yield specs or anything like that, where this is a necessity. Number 2, this is a Craftsman hose clamp remover. I used to use just pliers and those would come off. This has little notches and a little cap. It catches the ends of the thing and it holds it. Right? So I can clamp it down and it holds it nice and tight so I can wiggle it off. No more pliers with screwdrivers, none of that funny stuff. This is easy. Oh my gosh, doing any sort of hose clamps. This will make your life so much better. Number 3 is a compression toolkit. All right, this is an OTC. I got it off Amazon. All this stuff we can get on Amazon. This has been great for testing the performance or the compression of my engine, making sure that it is up to par. It comes with a relief pressure. It comes with all your adapters. It comes with everything that you could potentially need when testing the compression of an engine. I have used this multiple times, multiple engines. It has been super helpful. Yes, you can go to O'Reilly's and rent it, but having your own, sometimes time is money, and just having it, and it's a great kit. It's super reliable. So I highly recommend getting yourself one of these if you're going to be testing the healthiness of a motor by running compression, anything like that. Get yourself one of these. Number 4, which for me has been one of the best things I've ever bought, is this Xtool code reader, module reader. This goes beyond just reading codes. I can talk to specific modules in the car. I can talk to it. I can program it. I can, for the Range Rover, for instance, I needed to be able to talk to the ride height sensors. I could raise and lower it based on this. If my buttons don't work, it can tell me that. It runs so much CAN bus stuff that I was able to tell which module in the Range Rover in the CAN bus cycle was not working. You fix that and the whole loop is now able to be completed. This, yes, it's expensive, but it has paid for itself time and time again, and it works on any OBD2 car, not just one specific. So if we're talking Range Rover and they want the gap tool, you don't need the gap tool. Get yourself this and it'll work on any of your cars. Granted, it's OBD2, but this has been outstanding. And last but not least, number 5, it's a pretty basic tool, but it's this Craftsman flashlight. It's awesome, super bright. It's magnetic at the end. It's magnetic on the bottom. I can clip it to anything I want. It has a hook so I can hang it. It pivots, it swivels, it does everything you need it to, and the battery lasts a very long time. All you have to do is plug it in to USB-C, and it is awesome. I've even had to get parts and little bolts that I've dropped out of the motor. I turn on this right here, and since it's a magnet, I can stick it down in there, grab it as I see where I'm going, and pull it out. Outstanding. So I will link all of these things down below. I got them off Amazon. You can too. And it is one of those best tools to have in your garage beyond your basic wrenches and screwdrivers. So I hope you found this helpful. The only thing is that this was from Harbor Freight, so you won't be able to find that on Amazon, but it's a reasonable price. Go get yourself one of these if you find that you're beyond the screwdrivers and wrenches, and take your workshop to the next level. I'll catch you guys next time.